Alright, my name's Charlie Jones. I farm here at Fareham alongside my cousin, uncle and my father. We farm 162 British Friesians. When we were designing these sheds, I wanted to get as much natural light to the cows as possible while they're housed. I wanted to make these sheds as like the cows being out in the fields as possible, because to mimic a cow being in a natural habitat, you're gonna get the best results. Natural light plays a massive part in cow cycling, and these cows have been cycling perfectly.
Hi, I'm John Logue from Brett Martin. As you can see behind me, the Marlon CST Heatguard on the roof, the amount of natural daylight is incredible. One of the main things is, it's making it a bright, airy environment, not just for the livestock, but obviously us farming it as well. One of the other key features of the product is the heat reflecting pigment that makes it a more comfortable environment.
Well, over these past few days, temperatures have got up to 33, 34 degrees. Walking through the shed here on the way to go get the cows in for milking, this has been the coolest spot on the farm. These sheets have made a hell of a difference to this shed, and it's a really good environment for the cows. During the winter, it can get to about 4 o'clock and I haven't got to put a light on in here. Can still see clear as day. I only wish I would have put the sheets over the parlour building as well, then I wouldn't have to have the lights on in the parlour as much. I definitely recommend Marlon CST Heatguard. If I was building another shed, I'd definitely be putting these roof sheets on.